Biden began his COVID counter-messaging campaign against Donald Trump and the GOP when he told Jake Tapper a week ago that he will ask the people of the country to wear masks for 100 days.
Jake is on the first day I'm inaugurated to say I'm going to ask the public for 100 days to mask. Just 100 days to mask. Not forever, 100 days. And I think we'll see a significant reduction if we occur that.
With Pfizer getting the FDA authorization for its COVID-19 vaccine, millions of doses are expected to be shipped in the following weeks, and that number will only keep increasing as we move into 2021. Getting the vaccine out is one part. Getting enough doses is the next part. And getting the people to accept the vaccine is the last and most important part, because if enough people do not get vaccinated, the country will still keep facing outbreaks now and then. According to health experts, we need to get 75% to 80% of Americans vaccinated for the US to reach herd immunity. But if only 40% to 50% of the population gets vaccinated, the time to reach herd immunity will be much longer. Here is Fauci explaining the timeline.
The scientific advisor to Operation Warp Speed said this morning we could have true herd immunity take place somewhere in the month of May as the vaccine is distributed. Does America go back to life as normal in May?
I don't think so, unless we do, and I believe you're referring to Monsef Salawi,
Yes.
who said that, and I totally agree with him. But there are a couple of things that go into the effectiveness of a vaccine program. A highly efficacious vaccine, and we're there. We have two of them that have a 95% efficacy. The other part of the equation is how many people get vaccinated. So if you have a highly efficacious vaccine and only a relatively small 40–50% of the people get vaccinated, you're not going to get the herd immunity you need. What we do need is we need to get as many people as possible vaccinated, and that's why.
The problem Biden administration faces is only half of American adults say that they will get a COVID-19 vaccine, which is a lot less than the required level. So the Biden administration has to find a way to increase that number closer or above the 70% mark. Thankfully, the new administration realizes the task it has at hand, and instead of waiting to be sworn in, they have started their work to increase public awareness about the vaccine. The Trump administration has left most of the COVID management work to the states and left the country without a national plan to counter and contain the virus. The Biden administration, as its early moves indicate, is planning to invert the national-state working model. It has been reported that Biden has been in touch with all the groups that are in control of distributing the vaccine, while trying to put the weight of his administration behind groups like COVID Collaborative. This group is planning to spend $50 million in a campaign that includes billboards, TV, digital advertisements, and all those things that are targeted to increase public awareness about the vaccine. All the former presidents, excluding Donald Trump, have accepted to be vaccinated publicly. Biden and Kamala Harris are expected to do as well. Dr. Fauci has also said to do that as well, and I hope Trump does get vaccinated and he does it publicly. These are all small steps, but it is becoming more and more clear that the new administration understands the problem it faces months down the road, and instead of sitting on its hand, wasting its time, and then blaming the Trump administration for the mess it created, the new Biden administration has decided it will do everything to tackle the problem upfront. And that's a refreshing change. And from Trump's side, since he has already applied for credit on the vaccine front, I doubt if he will try to pull the masks are dangerous theory he propagated throughout this year. I don't think he will try to make vaccines into a culture war. But you never know with this man. But I still believe the odds are low for him to ask his followers to not take the vaccine. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe.